Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, we need to find first the derivative f of x. That is about this one. So we apply the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative f of x, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 3x to the power of 2. So we put number 3 gone here. And that's why we have 3x to the power of 3 minus 1. And that's about number 2 over number 3. Similar for the second one. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. And now we have s squared plus s minus number 6. And this one we can do about factorization. And that is about s plus number 3, s minus number 2. So we have this one. Now we put this one gone here. And this one gone here. So we simplify s minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 2 gone here. And we have number 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.